Hey there, happy fall everybody. I'm Kathleen and today I'm going to be making pumpkin spice pancakes with canned eggs protein pancake mix. If you're like me and as soon as the leaves start to change, you want pumpkin spiced everything, then this recipe will satisfy your pumpkin needs, also your protein needs because each serving has 26 grams of protein. So for this recipe, you're going to need canned eggs protein pancake mix, any milk of your choice. I'm choosing cashew milk, pumpkin puree, vanilla, and cinnamon.
You're going to want to add 3/4 of a cup of the mix, 3/4 of a cup of milk, 1/4 of a cup of pumpkin puree, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a dash of cinnamon. Now you're going to want to mix all of your ingredients together and get cooking.
And once your pancakes become golden brown, you're gonna wanna give them a little flip.
Now it's time for the best part.